What's up guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Gemini 2.0 as your digital assistant on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. So click and open up the Gemini app on your phone, guys, and from here you want to go ahead and go through the process of selecting and use Gemini here. Now you want to ensure that the language model is set to 2.0. As you can see, mine is 2.0. You want to go ahead, if it's select as 1.5, you want to switch it to 2.0. Then click your profile picture on the upper right hand side, then go to settings. Then you want to scroll down to where you have digital assistant from Google. You want to click on that, and here you will have two options. Now mine is currently set to Gemini, and I will tell you how this is done. By default, it is set to Google Assistant. And whenever you install Gemini on your phone and open it and go through the process as you saw there before, I was going through continue, 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 and then choose to use Gemini, this is going to now set the Gemini to be my digital assistant. In case you want to switch it back to Google, just simply come here and choose the Google Assistant, and that will switch it. But anytime you open up Gemini on your phone, it is going to go through the process and select Gemini as your digital assistant on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.